Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss about monetary functions, what are also known to be monetary responsibilities of RBI. As the apex bank of India, the RBI performs monetary functions as first one, currency issue. RBI has the sole right to issue currency notes of denominations starting from rupees 2 and above. That means RBI is the only institute responsible for issuing currency notes. And when I talk about currency notes, that means it is in the form of paper money. So these currency notes of rupees 2 and above are issued by RBI. Currency note of rupee 1 and all currency coins are issued by the Finance Ministry of Government of India. However, that means currency note of rupee 1 as well as all the currency coins, those are issued by Finance Ministry of Government of India. But the distribution of 1 rupee notes and currency coins is done by the RBI as an agent of the Government of India. But because RBI acts as an agent to Government of India, and therefore its distribution is done by RBI. That means all the currency note of rupee 1 as well as all the currency coins are being put into circulation by Reserve Bank of India as per the instructions of government. Second function is banker to the government. The RBI is a banker, advisor and agent of the central government and of all state governments. Just like we need a bank, similarly RBI work as a banker to the government. Whenever government needs any banking services, then it may take the help of RBI. It acts as a banker as well as advisor in case of emergency situations. It acts as an advisor as well as agent of the central government as well as of the state governments. Whenever any government bonds are to be issued or whenever any government bonds are to be repurchased, so this function is also performed by RBI on behalf of government. It manages the accounts of government, and in case of emergency situation, RBI also provides loan to the government. Third function is bankers bank and lender of last resort. The RBI is a banker as well as regulator of all the scheduled banks in the country. We have already discussed about scheduled banks. So all those banks which are established under the RBI Act and which are performing their functions as per RBI, those are known to be scheduled banks, and definitely these banks are to be controlled by RBI. So this RBI also works as a controller of these scheduled banks and as well as a banker to these banks. It manages the cash reserves of banks and also determines the credit policy as well as rate of interest for all these banks. Moreover, in case of emergency, it provides liquidity of cash to these banks. That means whenever any emergency situation arises and commercial banks face shortage of money, they can rush to RBI in order to save themselves from such emergency situations. RBI buys these short-term securities from the commercial banks and give them cash loans. Thus, it can be said that it works as the lender of last resort for scheduled banks. Fourth function, that is of credit control. RBI controls the process of credit creation and thus it controls the supply of money in the economy, and for this it takes help of various tools of monetary policy. Last one, that is custodian of foreign exchange reserves. Under the fixed exchange rate regime, the RBI has the responsibility to maintain the value of rupee vis-a-vis other currencies. That means you might have seen that every day the rate of rupee against dollar it fluctuates. So it is the responsibility of RBI not only against dollar but against all the other currencies of the world. It is responsibility that RBI must maintain value of our rupees. Not only this, it maintains the value of Indian currency by buying and selling foreign exchange in the open market as and when required. So in order to perform this function well, RBI does buying and selling of foreign currencies so as to maintain the value of Indian currency. Also, RBI acts as the custodian of India's foreign exchange reserve, and it monitors the foreign exchange reserve by checking the inflow as well as outflow of foreign exchange. Thank you.